When it comes to movement of the troops or the passage of the equipments between Kargil as well as Kashmir, so the problem is the Zojila Pass, because when it comes to the pass, it becomes frozen and it is snow cladded when it comes to the December or in the winters, and ultimately there is no passage of the movement of the trucks or the movement of the troops that can be done in the winters. And that is why the government is constructing the Zojila Tunnel. Now, this Zojila Tunnel over here, it is in the volatile seismic zone 4, and there will be final breakthrough on 9th of June when the Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari, he will oversee the final blasting from the Kargil side. Over here, this tunnel, it is located, or it is 13.14 kilometer long, which is located at 11,578 feet, and it will connect Kashmir Valley to the Kargil Valley, or the Kargil that is located in Ladakh. So this is one of the important news that we have discussed in today's The Hindu analysis. Over here, you can see that this is where we have the complete route that is there, and this is Z More tunnel that is located. Although when it comes to the complete tunnel over here, you can see that it will connect the Baltal that is there in Kashmir to the Minamog, and this is where we have the complete, Kargil to the Kashmir connectivity that will be laid down because of the Zojila tunnel that will be there. So this is one of the important news that we have discussed in today's The Hindu analysis on our channel, that is Study IQ IAS in English. And you can join the, complete The Hindu analysis every day along with me on the platform at right at 9:30 a.m. when we start off with the complete analysis of The Hindu. So that would be all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. And I will see you in the next session and the analysis by this, thank you and Jai Hind.